Did you know that the UK post-study visa is not automatic? What this means is this. Because you studied in the UK does not mean you automatically get the post-study visa. Trust me, a lot of people will not be getting the post-study visa. And why is this? I'm going to explain. Number one, if you fail your course, you're not going to get it. Number two, if you don't find a sponsor, you're not going to get it. Number three, if you do not apply for the post-study visa before the expiration of your visa, you're not going to get it. And last one, if you do not apply while you're in the UK, you're not still going to get it. So these are some of the reasons why you need to do your due diligence. You need to carry out a lot of investigations. You need to ask people the right question before making the move. As I'm speaking with you, there are a lot of Nigerians currently stuck in the UK. They don't know the next move. I'll be making a video on, if you fall into that category, what you should do next, just in case you are stuck in the UK, just in case you are through with your study and you are battling to get the post-study visa, or you've missed the deadline and you don't know the next step. I'll be making another video on that, on the next step you should take. I'll be making another video on the next step you should take. If you find this video useful again, follow me for more, because I'll be making more of videos like this.